Welcome to DataMine Hub, a platform to collect, track, and analyze data for all industries. In this video, we will explain in detail how to add items to Sheet in Batch. We can add items one by one on the working sheet page, or scan the code to add items on the mobile app. These are very convenient. However, if you already have a batch of data files on hand, you want to manage and maintain your data through the DataMine Hub platform, and analyze your data through our analytics platform. If you still need to add items one by one, it will be very inefficient. With Import File, you can import a large amount of data at one time. On the Sheets page, you can start uploading files by clicking the Import File button. Or you can also operate on the working sheet page. Click Import File and the Import Data to Sheet window will pop up. The whole import process is divided into 3 steps. Step 1. Upload file. Select a file from your computer. Currently, the file cannot exceed 10 megabytes. Only comma-separated CSV format files are supported. The first line is the header, which is the name of each column. This is an example of a CSV file. The first line is the name of each column, Amazon order ID, SKU, list price and so on. From the second line onwards is the actual data. They are all separated by commas. If the file you have is not in CSV format, such as the common Excel format or other formats. Basically all these formats can be converted into CSV format. Where to store the data? There are 2 options. One is a new sheet. The other is an existing sheet. If it is a new sheet, the system will automatically create field names based on the sheet. If it is an existing sheet, no matter whether the sheet is based on template or non-template, no fields will be created, and you need to match the fields in the next step. Now let's choose New Sheet. We just uploaded the CSV file, selected New Sheet, and set the name. Click the Next button to go to the next step. Now we come to the second step. Field mapping. On the left is the name of each column extracted from the first row of CSV. Because we just selected New Sheet. So there is no need to do mapping operation. But if you want to change the column name obtained from CSV, you can modify it in the middle part of the correspondence. Then after the name is the data type. The default is text. Unlike the fields we create templates or sheets, it can support complex types such as options, money, and formula. Only ordinary text, number, decimal, and date time types are supported in the imported file. You can select the appropriate type based on the actual situation of the data. The checkbox in the last part indicates whether the data is required, and the default is yes. If it is required, but the data is not provided in the CSV, then the error will be displayed in the next step of verification. If there is no problem with the data, the next step of verification will tell us that the verification has passed. On the contrary, if there is any error, the error message will be displayed. We can go back to the previous step to fix the error and verify again. For example, we just intentionally changed the type of the quantity field to date time, which is obviously wrong. So these errors are displayed during verification. These error messages show which specific line has an error and what the error is. This information can help me locate the source of the error and fix it. After successful import, we can see it on the Sheets page. Non-template tag indicates that this sheet is not based on a template. We can also browse, update, and delete sheet items, and create reports and charts based on the sheet. Check in, check out operations. Thank you for watching. You can continue to watch our other videos and documents, and if you have any questions, you can always contact us.